So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about the difference between interconnected systems and the isolated power systems. So let's start. So here first point we have for interconnected systems, it is on-grid systems. Similarly here it is first point here for interconnections it is on-grid system. Similarly for isolated power system it is off-grid systems. And in interconnected systems it is reliable during fault conditions. Similarly it is less reliable. And here we have the third point as operation. Here operation for interconnected system is complex, means operation is complex, whereas the operation for isolated power system is simple. This is the third point. Similarly in interconnected power systems synchronization is needed, means yes, synchronization is needed, whereas in isolated power system no synchronization is needed. Similarly we have here the fifth point as here old power plant can be used, whereas in isolated power system healthy power plant is used. Healthy power plant is used. Similarly we have here the sixth point as it is more economical, whereas the isolated power system here the isolated power system is less economical. Similarly here we have the seventh point, cost of generation is minimal. Here cost of generation is minimal, whereas in 7 point here we can also write as the cost of generation is more. Similarly for interconnected systems we can see here in 8 point here interconnected system is full automatic control, whereas here it is manually operated. It is manually operated. Similarly here we have in the 9th point as, and here plant factor. To talk about the plant factor, so the plant factor for interconnected system is normally about 0.5 to 0.6, and for isolated system plant factor is typically low, means 0.15 to 0.3. And here we have the 10th point as, and here the generation power plant so generation power plant are connected. So generation power plant are connected to other generating power plant, to other generating power plant. Similarly, and here generating power plant are not connected to the other generating power plant. So here generating power plant are not connected to other generating power plant. So these are the few differences between interconnected systems and the isolated power systems. Hope you enjoy the lectures. Thanks for watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Thank you.